my name is Dieketsa Masimene and I'm a GEMP 1 student or a third-year medical student at WITS. I am an international student. I come from Lesotho and I've been asked by Seduleko to be part of her YouTube channel, which is a very great thing to be part of. And I'd like to thank her first for allowing me this opportunity. Okay, so the whole point that I am here is to share my experience in applying to medicine and what it was like. Yeah, so I have a couple of questions here that I have to answer in this video, and the first one is the degree that I was in. I am proud to say that degree was science. I loved the sciences so much that I really did want to stay, but that wasn't the path for me. That wasn't the path for me, but then yeah, I had to leave. So that was my degree. I majored in biochemistry, and then I was allowed to do another major outside of the science field, and that was anatomy for me, so it was in the health sciences. All right, so the next question is about my marks. As I mentioned, okay, I have to talk about my marks in matric and my marks in the marks that allowed me to get into GEMP, which is the last 2 years of my degree. So as I mentioned, I am an international student, meaning that I didn't write the matric, so I wrote IB instead. So I don't know if that's going to be helpful for a lot of people, because I know a lot of GEMPers are South African, so they wrote matric. And but I will say that in case there's someone out there who's an international student and is probably wanting to get into GEMP and is doing IB, that I got mostly 6s and I didn't get in, so it means that I'm going to take that the reason why I didn't get in was because of my marks. So if you want to get into GEMP and you are an international student that's doing IB, you should probably aim for just 7s. So yeah, the marks that got me into GEMP, the average was, okay, I don't really like talking about my marks. Everybody that knows me knows that I don't like talking about my marks, but I am going to share for the benefit of someone out there that's wondering what marks they should be getting and stuff like that. So the average for my last 2 years in my degree was 78, if I remember correctly, and that should be right. Yeah, was 78. So yeah, that was good enough to get me in. So that covers that. All right, so when did I start studying for the WEPT, and how did I study for the WEPT, and why? I started studying for the WEPT around March, and I basically bought the textbook that you're supposed to use for the WEPT, or you can just use summaries, but I chose to use the textbooks because I love reading textbooks, and it was relaxing in a way. It wasn't as daunting as it would have been if I had looked at the objectives for the WEPT, because there's a lot of objectives. So I avoided looking at the objectives and opted instead for going for the textbooks and reading the textbook and answering the questions. And also I joined this other group on Telegram that is there for helping people who maybe want to get into the GEMP program but are not sure how to study and stuff. So in there they post quizzes and stuff, so that's also how I applied my knowledge. So like I said, I started studying in March, and so that I wouldn't have a lot piled up towards September, which is when we're writing the WEPT. And I basically treated studying for the WEPT just like any of my subjects. Yeah, that was it. I studied not every day, but I think it was more days than I could count. All right, and then okay, why did I study that way? I think I mentioned that I didn't want it to pile up, and I avoided looking at the objectives because I was afraid it's going to take the joy out of it. There's a lot of objectives to cover, and then you wonder, did I cover this objective? Did I cover that? Do I know enough? That takes the fun out of learning anything for me. So I avoided that, and I just read the textbook, and it was fun. It was relaxing. It wasn't a lot of pressure at all. If I'm to be honest, it really wasn't a lot of pressure for me for the WEPT. And on the day of the WEPT, that's another question that I'm supposed to answer, like how was the pressure? It was a lot of pressure because, okay, I should mention that I missed a class that day, and I don't really miss classes, so I felt bad for that. But the WEPT itself wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. There was a lot of time to go through the questions. I even had time to go back and check if I was right or wrong and go through the questions that I wasn't really sure about. So on the day, I could say that it was overall a good day, apart from me missing a lecture, yeah. But yeah, that was that. Okay, and my advice to future GEMP people. I'd say that you should find a way that works for you. Find a way that is least stressful for you so that you can do your degree at the same time and not be under a lot of stress. Have a good mental, balance, physical, all those things. Yeah, balance yourself. Find a way that works for you. Find a way that is least stressful, because it's not fun if you're doing something and you get in. You will get in. Hopefully you will. And then it wasn't fun, because you should enjoy it. This is the only time you're ever going to write the WEPT. So yeah, just enjoy yourself. Find a way that works. Find a way that is least stressful. And if you work hard enough, you'll get it. Thank you.
Our greatest glory is never in falling, but in rising every time we fall. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like these. Thank you to the new subscribers, very much appreciated.